Hey guys, my name is Sultan if you didn't already know, and if you are new to the channel then welcome. Today I'm going to reveal my growth portfolio which I invested £1,000 into a few weeks ago. So 2 weeks ago I also revealed my dividends portfolio which I invested £2,000 into. I'm mainly a dividend investor, so that's what I'm going to do most of the time. But for the sake of diversification, I did invest £1,000 into a handful of stocks which are growth stocks, and we're gonna dive straight into it. If you do find any value in this video, be sure to drop a like down below and let me know in the comments what growth stocks you guys are invested into. So currently I'm invested into a handful of stocks such as NIO, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, PayPal, and just a few others. These stocks are currently doing all right, not too good. To be fair, initially when I first invested in these stocks, my portfolio was up by £100 in like a day. I mean, now the market is slightly, going through some issues, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna go back up. When you have stocks such as Tesla and NIO and Apple and stuff, then you're pretty secure that these stocks are gonna do well for the next 5 to 10 years. But taking a look at my investments, firstly, I have a share of Tesla. So Tesla was a stock that I've been actually trying to get a share of for a very long time. It took me a while to kind of consider, should I put £1,000 straight into Tesla, or should I invest that into my dividends portfolio, which can probably make me more money? It was a battle. It was one I had to fight myself over, which some of you guys might have actually had that thought yourself. But I thought to myself, you know what, we're gonna invest £1,000 into Tesla directly, leave it there, let it sit there, let it continue to beat inflation and all of that stuff. And yeah, kind of worked out that way. Currently I'm up on Tesla by £45. 2 seconds ago I was up by £77, but that literally dropped straight to £45 because the market just opened. But yeah, Tesla will go back up, I'm 100% sure, or I might be wrong. Yeah, I might be wrong. But as you can see, currently Tesla, it's down by 2%, and 2% is a lot when you have, a share of Tesla. Hence why the market went down, hence why my stock went down by a lot. Looking at NIO, I have 2.7 shares of NIO. I'm probably going to get that back up to just 3 shares just to leave it there. Again, I'm a dividend investor, so I'm not really trying to pay too much attention to these growth stocks. I'm just gonna invest a free amount of money into it, put £10 in every single week, and just continue to let it grow over time. I'm not really fussed about it. It's pretty much savings, but it's just guaranteed to beat inflation a whole lot more, and it's probably going to earn me a lot more money than putting my money into a bank account with 2% return, or 0.2% return rather. And NIO, I mean, we all know about NIO. NIO is basically a Chinese Tesla, some people call it. They change the batteries of the cars, and they have electric cars themselves. To be fair, NIO is a prominent stock. And the thing about NIO is that the Chinese government are actually funding NIO directly. And when you have the government involved, you can tell that NIO is slightly promising. I doubt the Chinese government is gonna let NIO just fall down or be beaten by the US government or other countries in terms of the market. So NIO is looking like a prominent stock which will continue to beat the market, which will continue to rise for many more years. I'm an investor who, prefers to invest for the long term. So I'm not actually investing in these stocks for the next 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. These are gonna be a long term thing, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, years and years. Yeah, whatever the case is, I'm just gonna leave it there, let it continue to beat the market. We can see that my whole portfolio performance is down by 11% at this moment in time, but all my money is actually invested into stocks. I'm not invested into any bonds or any commodities, nothing like that. This is just a portfolio that I decided to put £1,000 straight into a handful of stocks that I just thought, you know what, why not? Also, one thing to know about me, I'm actually a Tesla fanboy. In the future, I'm probably gonna own Tesla cars. I'm gonna own all the Tesla stuff. I'm also invested into most of Apple stuff as well, as in I have the Apple phone, I have the Apple Watch. I own all Apple stuff pretty much. So I thought, you know what, let's invest and let's just get a whole Apple stock. This one I actually did it randomly. I literally woke up, I said, you know what, I want to buy Apple stock today. It's the best way to spend money without losing money, because it's gonna make me money, if you get what I mean. So I bought myself an Apple share just because, why not? I own all their products, I might as well make money from them too, because they've taken all of my money, you get what I mean? So right now I'm up on Apple by £5. An Apple share is currently selling for around £96, 97, and I'm up by £5, which isn't too bad. Now you can see the other shares that I do have. I do have Fiverr, Square, PayPal, Nike, C, Greg's, Amazon. I don't want to waste you guys' time by going through every single stock, but I have Greg's. You guys are probably wondering,
Greg's isn't a growth stock. Why is Greg's on the list? Blah, blah, blah.
Greg's is on here simply because I work for Greg's, right? You know, yeah. I have faith in Greg's. Greg's are actually a company that, you know, they have a bright future. You know, they're bringing out the whole vegan stuff and vegetarian stuff, and more people actually, you know, leaning now onto eating vegetables and all of these stuff. So Greg's actually are doing their own thing. You know, they're bringing out products that people actually are enjoying, and I do have faith that Greg's will continue to grow. Maybe not insanely like Tesla. You know, Greg's is not going to start selling for £1,000 in the next 2 years or something. I doubt it. But I'm just investing in Greg's just because of the fun that comes behind it. And right now I'm up on Greg's by £1.62, and Greg's is currently selling for £19 or $20. And now I have Amazon at £10. Why am I on Amazon at £10, or why do I have Amazon for £10? I would like to put more money into Amazon, but I just thought, what's the point of putting £50, £20 and all of this into Amazon? What I plan on doing with Amazon, because I know Amazon is going to do well. Amazon is in its own category. They have no competition whatsoever. It's Amazon at the end of the day. Just the same as Google and all the other ones. They're like the big boy stock. So I'm going to invest into Amazon at one point down the line. My plan is to have at least one share of Amazon, hopefully, by God's grace. I'm gonna have a share of Amazon. But I'm not worrying about that too much at this current moment in time because it's just way too expensive. I mean, Amazon, a share of Amazon is currently $3,200. So yeah, I don't have $3,200 to put into one stock at this current moment in time. So I'm just gonna accept my 9p growth that I have on Amazon and just take that, you know, take that to the chest or whatever. And yeah, so that's Amazon at this moment in time. PayPal and Nike and stuff, those are just there because, you know, there's a few words and a few, you know, things going around about these stocks. So I thought, let's just test the waters, put a few amount of money into it. But at the end of the day, every single money I've invested in these stocks are money I don't mind losing. You know, don't put your life savings into any stock just because anything could go wrong. I don't know what the market is like. No one knows what the market is gonna grow, or how it's gonna, you know, boom, or what's gonna happen. Nobody knows. So take my word, it's a grain of salt. Don't believe in anyone that says they know what's gonna happen in the market in the next 5 years or whatever. It's all speculation. So do your own research, make sure you know what you're doing before you invest into any stocks. So that is my portfolio. I'm investing £10 every single week, and hopefully it grows slowly, you know, over time. Every single week I'm gonna try to invest into more stocks. Some days I will put in a lot more than £10. I'm probably gonna aim to have a share of every single stock that I currently own, or I'm gonna sell a few and then reinvest that money into other stocks. But the whole aim is to eventually have a stock of every single company that I currently own. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you did enjoy the content, just to show you guys what growth stocks I'm invested into. Look out for more videos every single Sunday. My socials will be down in the description, my Instagram, my Twitter. Be sure to DM me or whatsoever. If you guys would like to ask me any questions, if you guys would like to tell me on how I can improve this channel or what content you'd like me to put out, then be sure to let me know. I'm very, very open to any, you know, discussion or to talk to you guys. But thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you did enjoy it. Hope you did find value in the content I'm providing, and take care.